If you are not eating callaloo dumpling, this video was literally made for you. Listen, if you have never tried this Jamaica classic, you are seriously missing out. But don't worry, I got you. Today, I will be showing you exactly how to make this delicious callaloo dumpling from scratch. Let's get cooking. Welcome everyone to KK's Kitchen and More. Welcome, glad to have you today. Welcome my subscribers, and to all that are watching that have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe, and when you do so, please remember to turn on the notification bell so you will be first when I drop a video. Now, for my friends who may never know, callaloo dumpling is a Jamaican comfortable food staple. It is a perfect mix of flour and callaloo. Callaloo is nutrition, it's flavorful, filling, and trust me, it's a game changer. So guys, what you will need for this delicious callaloo dumpling are simple ingredients. You will need some flour, regular counter flour. You will need a little salt. You will need your callaloo, finely chopped callaloo, and you will also need water for the mixture. Okay, so just follow as I go and I'll show you exactly what I'll do. Okay, I'll get my callaloo and I buy like a bundle of callaloo, but I don't need the entire thing because I'm not cooking a lot of flour. And as you are seeing on the video, what I do, I just cut about 3 or 4 stalks of the callaloo, and I cut it from the bottom because what I want is really the leaf. I don't want the stalk, I want the leaf. And I will finally chop up the leaf, and I'll show you exactly as we go how I put it together. Okay, so here is the callaloo finely chopped, and I am adding my flour to it right now. I am going to ask Hubby to knead the flour for me because you see the nails on my fingers. So I'm going to ask Hubby to go ahead and mix this dough for me. So stay tuned guys and watch to the end. Thank you for being around. I'll see you at the end of the video.
Boom, boom, there's a knock at the door, but don't freeze in your tracks. It's that chance that you've been waiting for. It's the light coming through the cracks. When life shows an open door, come on, step through. A chance like the purest gold. Come on, come on. When life shows an open road, this open road. Boom, boom, that knock on your door is sounding further away. Don't lose sight, life was times before. This is now today. When life,
the moment of truth is here. It's my Callaloo dumpling. It's ready, and I am sharing. I am serving Hubby dinner first because he's the perfect person to do the taste test, because he have never eaten Callaloo dumpling before. But before I get his reaction, please remember to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed, do well to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this Jamaica classic Callaloo dumpling. So you are trying my Callaloo dumpling for the very first time.
Yes.
You say you never eat it before, so I decided to cook it for you today. So taste it. I know you cut it already, but taste it and tell me how it tastes. So give me an honest opinion about the Callaloo dumpling. How it tastes?
The truth is, tastes wonderful.
And that's your honest opinion, right?
Honest opinion. I eat it again. Again and again.
Because I told people that Callaloo dumpling is
Very
a
good.
nice dumpling. And I see Collar Smith do his Callaloo dumpling. And I said, let me try it my way. So this is my way of cooking Callaloo dumpling.
And tasty.